Hello everybody, my name's Helen Newton and I love to stitch free motion machine embroidery. You may have seen some of my patterns recently on Sewing Street, and I'm very happy to have my new designs launched here. I began sewing when I was very young, self-taught. I learnt to sew at home, but I was totally obsessed with it. I collect lots of fabric. I've done dressmaking, I've done soft furnishings, I've done teaching and help classes, and I really love all things creative. Recently I have been designing my own sewing patterns, which is what I do for a living now. I have been lucky enough to have them launched on Sewing Street. I keep my designs quite simple, quite basic, mostly using applique with lots of free motion embroidery. My top tip for free motion would be to change your needle often. Use a fabric marker pen when you're first starting out to outline any areas that you want to remember where to stitch, and as you progress you will then just go into freehand stitching. My favourite things to make are seams using scraps of fabric. I love to use up every last bit that I've got so nothing goes to waste, and I turn them into cushion covers, tote bags, quilts, anything really that can show a scene. And from these I have created patterns for you to try at home. My aim is just to encourage everybody to have a go at free motion and hopefully enjoy something really super creative with fabric. I hope I have inspired you to try this super creative way of stitching. Free motion machine embroidery is just such fun. Please don't be scared, just try it and enjoy it, and most of all, have fun.